I'm Dave Fortin reporting for My News 26. Back in the 1970s, a couple of young men started an agency here in Traverse City called the Third Level Crisis Intervention Center. It was to help other young people with drug problems. It now serves 20 counties and has professional counselors. While the Third Level Crisis Intervention Center can focus on the problem of suicide and help people year-round, Suicide Prevention Week is a time to really focus and emphasize the problem.
Well, every year, as in our country, we take pretty much the month of September to and a Suicide Prevention Week specifically that we're in, to raise awareness about the public health problem of suicide and to highlight ways that citizens might be able to get involved to help reduce deaths by suicide.
Now, how big a problem is it? Do you get calls on a regular basis, daily? Is it in the dozens? Is it in the hundreds as far as a year is concerned?
Suicide is the 10th leading cause of death in America, and actually the second leading cause of death for young people. And so, as a crisis intervention center, we take hundreds of calls specifically related to suicide every year.
And you cover 20 northwestern Michigan or northern Michigan counties?
Yes, we do.
Now we have a couple of special events coming up, or at least at the State Theater in Traverse City. What is that?
Well, on September the 8th, the State Theater is offering a free showing of the film Dead Poets Society.
And what is the subject there? I mean, it's suicide, but is it about people trying to get help?
Well, Dead Poets Society is an acclaimed film that talks about Robin Williams as an educator at a private boys' school and how he empowers them to get involved in literature. In the film, one of the boys dies by suicide.
And the second event, can you tell me about that?
Yes, on Saturday, September 10th, the Grand Traverse Leelanau Suicide Prevention Coalition is hosting an awareness walk. It's an opportunity for people to go for a walk, talk together about the public health problem of suicide, learn more about it through awareness messages that will be posted throughout the walk. We're going to be walking down Front Street, and so many people passing by will have an opportunity to learn about suicide. It's also an opportunity for those who've lost loved ones to suicide to honor them and remember them.
And what time is it, and where do they gather?
We're gathering at the pavilions at the Grand Traverse County Civic Center at 10 a.m., and lunch will be served afterwards.
There are many services for people who are having a crisis.
Well, yes, Dave. Our 24-hour crisis line is available for anyone to contact us at any time about anything, be it mental health troubles, struggling with anxiety or depression, relationship difficulties, need for assistance with basic needs. We also access community mental health emergency services for folks who may be experiencing a behavioral health emergency. We help people with family conflict, adolescents who are struggling to get along with their parents, people whose marriages and other relationships might be in trouble. So just about any kind of type of human concern, the crisis workers are ready to help with.
The Suicide Lifeline is 1-800-273-8255. The Suicide Lifeline, once again, 1-800-273-8255. In addition to the listed phone number, you can also text 231-480-0292. In Traverse City, for My News 26, Dave Fortin reporting.